We start with this. The South African Police Service in Jabulani has reported significant improvement in areas previously identified as crime hotspots in Soweto, and these are including Zola following intensified policing operations. Now, the station had earlier raised concerns about rising crime in these areas, prompting targeted interventions and strengthened partnerships with community stakeholders. Station Commander Brigadier Amos Lifa Tsotetsi attributes the progress to the collaboration effort and says the focus is now shifting towards tackling gender-based violence.
Kwinyanga ezigqithileyo isikhululo samapolisa saseJabulani savakalisa inkxalabo ngolwaphulo mthetho kuquka nendawo eziqatseleyo kulo. Kodwa xa kungoku esi sikhululo sinika ingxelo eyohlukileyo yezinga eliphantsi kulwaphulo mthetho.
The crime for Jabulani March statistics, we have done well on contact crimes. Remember, contact crimes are murder, attempted murder, assault, assault GBH, robbery, robbery aggravated, and sexual offenses. From the month of October, I'm talking about 6 months, from the month of October until March, this Jabulani area dealing with crime. Remember, I was talking about the hotspots. Now I'm not talking about hotspots. I'm talking about normalization and stabilization. Remember that time I was talking about dealing with crime. Now I'm talking about the new strategy. We are going to sit with the management and come up with the normalization and stabilization. Why am I saying that? Because Zola was the hotspot. And then now, as I'm talking to you now, through collaboration and working with the community, Zola is no more a hotspot.
Noxa kunjalo kwimiba echasene nomthetho, iziganeko zokuhlukumeza ngokwesini zezo zisadinga ukubekwa iliso elibukhali.
When I arrived here at Zola 1, Zola 2, Zola 3 and North, we were having problems with contact crime, whereby there was a lot of GBV related and DV related. We dealt with generators of crime. What are the generators of crime? Drugs, illegal shabbing, and liquor abuse, and illegal immigrants. And then what I'm saying to the community, please report. But as police officers, we will deal decisively with generators of crime.
Othethela isikhululo uBrigadier Lifa Tsotetsi uthi amaphulo wabo ayaqhubeka futhi aye ebaluqilima ngenxa yentsebenziswano. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eJabulani.